Hello traders, if you're watching this video after blowing up your account, I must appreciate you for not giving up on your passion towards trading. You are not the only one who have blown up your trading account. Even I myself have blown up the trading account. Even the pro traders who are very successful today might have at least once they would have blown up their account in their trading journey. Blowing up the trading account doesn't mean that we are a failure in stock market. If you are a beginner or a new entrant into the stock market, it is better to blow up the account at a very early stage rather than blowing up the account after few years down the line. At an early stage, it will be much easier to bounce back. Whenever I used to blow up my trading account, I used to follow the 6 rules. No matter what, I would definitely follow these 6 rules. I call it as the power of 6. Rule number 1, stop trading for 6 weeks. After you blow up your account, please do not trade for the next 6 weeks. That is 6 into 5, 30 trading days at this stretch, provided there is no trading holiday in between. So what happens in these 6 weeks? We will identify ourselves in these 6 weeks where we are lacking. We might be lacking in the trading psychology, or we might be lacking in the risk reward management, or we might be lacking in any of the strategies which we have used. We would be identifying ourselves how good we are at the trading desk. Are we able to not trade with the emotions? So we will be the best judge in these 6 weeks. So after blowing up the account, we would be knowing that where exactly we have blown the account. Okay, so usually what happens, like, we think if I rectify that mistake, I can be a profitable trader. No, it doesn't work that way. So please stop trading for 6 continuous weeks. Okay. Rule number 2 is develop one strategy every week. I know if you are a newbie or a beginner into the stock market, it is not that easy to develop one strategy every week. In that case, just go to any of the YouTube where the traders might have explained you the tricks. Pick up that one trick every week. Okay, every week one new trick. Apply it on the live market, plus apply it on at least 10 charts to backtest the same. So whenever I used to blow up the account, I used to backtest the strategy on at least 50 charts every day. So at the end of 6th week, we will be having 6 different strategies which has been backtested and tested on the live market ourselves, right? It gives you an immense confidence to trade after the 6th week with your own strategies. Rule number 3 is, this is the very important rule: don't stop reading the chart. Earlier I had asked you not to trade for 6 continuous weeks. It doesn't mean that you have to be out of the market. It doesn't mean you have to stop reading the charts. Read the charts daily. So what happens by reading the chart daily? I'll give you a small example. Whenever you come across any vehicle on the road at a very far away distance, you will be easily able to identify which company car is that, what is the name of that car, right? Why is that? It is because we might have seen that car on the advertisement, or someone of our family members or our friends might be owning that car, or sometime earlier we might have seen it at a very short distance and googled it just to see the specifications of the same, right? In the same way, these chart patterns tend to repeat often. At least this first 1 hour chart, how it flows. Okay, is there any bounce back from the support level? Is there any bounce back from the moving averages? These charts are nothing but the human emotions, right? Human emotions tend to repeat often. So let us not stop reading the charts daily. If you are a working professional, then after you come back from your office, come to your trading desk, run the chart from the beginning. You will identify where you might have taken the trade. Okay, so let us not stop reading the charts daily. The fourth point is try to be an independent trader. I have seen people asking me for trading on behalf of themselves. They'll give me money, I have to trade for them. Please don't do that. You know, the third person whom you're giving your money or you're lending your username and password, they might not think even twice before blowing up your account. It is your money, your hard-earned money. Only you have the emotions attached to it. So always let us try to be an independent trader. Don't borrow any tips from anyone. You know, once they stop giving you tips, then I'm sure you won't be able to trade, because for the entire trading cycle you would be dependent on tips and tricks. Please don't do that. I'll give you a small example which happened when we group of friends usually talk trading strategies. Okay, one of my friend, he is very good at fundamental analysis. So we both had seen Trident Limited at 12 rupees. He had said to me that it can be a multi-bagger. I went back to my trading desk. Since I am a hardcore technical guy, I applied all the technical analysis on Trident Limited, but I never got any indication that it can be a multi-bagger. Maybe because of my technical limit. Today you know that the stock is trading above 50 rupees. I always wanted to be an independent trader. It gives an edge. No matter what, in whatever circumstances, you can bounce back. It gives that extra confidence to bounce back at any stage. The fifth point is analyze why your account has been blown up. Analyze where you are lacking. Just go back to your trading journal. You might have entered the entry point, why you have entered, the exit point, why you didn't take the stop loss. What is your risk reward when your trade entered in the opposite direction? Why you haven't exited? You might have written all those emotions, the trading psychologies in your trading journal. Just visit that again. Make sure that you're not going to repeat that again when you're taking the next trade after 6 weeks. Okay? If you haven't written down in your trading journal, just go back and check your contract note or the trading statement which your broker might be sending you. Just analyze where you have done the mistake. Is it high time to strengthen your trading psychology? Is it high time to strengthen your risk reward and the position sizing? Is it high time to strengthen your trading strategies? The sixth point is no revenge trading. It happens like whenever you blow up the account, immediately you would be realizing that what was your mistake. We always think if I rectify that mistake, I would be profitable in the next trading sessions. So immediately what we do is, immediately the very next day we take personal loans, or we take the loan from the credit card, or we take the loan from friends or our families, or we break the savings account and pour another lakhs of rupees into the trading account. We would enter into a revenge trading. Market has taken my money, I will take all that money within a week. It is not going to happen that way, guys. The very next day when you pour the money, taking the loans, you will be having that extra burden, extra pressure while trading on your trading desk. Whenever your trade goes in your opposite direction, that is whenever it is near to be hitting your stop loss, you will have that fear. What if I lose even this money? I need to repay all those loans, right? Because we had already blown up our trading account just a day before. So it is always better not to trade for 6 continuous weeks. No revenge trading at all. Okay, that is all for now. I'll be meeting you in my next educational video on where to start trading. Thank you guys.